Hi everybody, it is Jennifer Nicole Lee. Happy Saturday Shredder. This is your pre-workout jolt. I'm going to be talking about Synergy. What is it? Why is it important to your workout program, your nutrition, and all areas of your life? And by the way, we are just slaying the skinny jean challenge. We started Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is day, oh my goodness, 5? Yes, of the skinny jean challenge. Keep it going. We're losing inches where we want them and then gaining them where we want them. Woo! Oh boy. So keep going, guys. I'm so proud of you. Now, energy. We all want more energy, right? Most importantly, we want synergy, okay? The real function of fake energy is just to burn out your adrenals, have you crash and burn. I'm here to put synergy into all areas of your life through our VIP workout program. Okay, what is fake energy? It's what a lot of us out there, sadly enough, are running on. The caffeine, the energy pills, the energy drinks, and then you just crash and burn. You're burning out your adrenals. You're leading to metabolism breakdown, okay? So in my workouts, I have you guys breathe in a lot. I'm making sure you're raising your arms over your head. What does that do? It opens up your lungs. And when you breathe better, you're going to have exercise post-oxygen consumption, which is EPIC for short. That's going to give you that afterburn, thus increasing your metabolism. Prana. We've heard the word prana a lot in the wellness industry. Prana is breath, okay? So I'm kind of like doing like a yoga-infused HIIT workout here with strength. So you're going to have more energy. You're going to have that natural high. You're going to feel fabulous. It's considered a life-giving force. So when you leave from these workouts and you feel energized, it's because all the prana exercises I've been sneaking in there, kind of like sneaking zucchini in a muffin. I'm sneaking in some good extra stuff into the workout you might not really catch on, okay? There's a lot of things behind the scenes that I'm making sure I give my VIPs. Prana is seen as a universal energy which flows in currents in and around the body. If you did like an electro scan of the body, you're going to see energy magnetic fields all the way around the body. That's how amazing it is. So, as a transformational coach for close to 20 years, the number one thing that I hear from a lot of my potential clients and even clients is, JNL, I want more energy. I want more energy. Actually, that's a lie. You don't want more energy. You want more synergy. Synergy is where the secret sauce is here in our VIP workouts and in our mind coaching, in our mind, body, and spirit. Everything works together. Some people call it aligning your chakras, where you just feel in that flow state. You feel happy. You know, hell could be breaking loose, but your inner peace is not disturbed. That's the type of results we get here. So it's almost like you have nirvana on earth, right? You feel that inner peace. You have inner wisdom, joy, happiness. You want to be synced. All your energy feels to be synced in all areas of your life. Thus, you want synergy. Energy versus synergy. You know what? I found when I did weights, I felt good. Then I found when I did cardio, I felt good. But when I combined them together, boom, synergy happened, okay? Synergy is, by definition, when two or more things are combined and they become greater, more powerful than if they were by themselves. So cardio plus weights give you synergistic results and effects, combined with power jolts. Now, put the power coaching with all of that. It's going to be mind-blowing. The synergy is unreal. It's out of this world. It really does change your life. The interaction or cooperation of two or more things produced a combined effect greater than the sum of their parts. I love it. So when I say we are stronger together, that's exactly what I mean. So as a leader of our VIP group, I really promote community and teamwork. Not she's going to stand out more than you or she's going to do her own thing. No, collectively together we are stronger. I love to create synergy among our sisterhood. Becoming soul sisters, okay? Energy is basic. You need energy to function, but when you have synergy in your life, health, nutrition, relationships, you get this out of this world vibe. That's on another level. Truly. That's why everyone's like, wow, these workouts are changing my life, because they're creating synergy in all other areas of your life. Synergy, it's a bonus result when things work together harmoniously. So if you want to create harmony in your life through your profession, your career, your family, your loved ones, your nutrition, this is where you get it. When you feel enthusiasm to do something, this is what I'm getting a feedback from you guys. I'm excited to be drinking my detox water. I'm excited to be eating my broccoli and grilled chicken and quinoa. Like, you're actually looking forward to it. And I love sweating. That's the synergistic results. Thank you for the hearts. I love you. There's my beautiful VIPs, Brooke and us. Oh, beautiful Andrea. When you feel enthusiasm to do something naturally, it means you've lined up the energies. They have synergy, and you are being inspired to take positive action in your life from that point of alignment. You're in alignment. But when you line up the energy, that feeling of procrastination goes away. So that's the pre-workout jolt today. It's Saturday. We're going to raise up the party. It's going to be an all-out, shoot them up, bang them up, just hand over the fat, stick them up kind of workout today, okay? So we're going to be working the abs, of course, glutes, going to cap off the shoulders, working on the lats. It's going to give you, this workout that I did is going to give you an amazing synergistic effect, okay? So when your body has synergy and not one part is more overdeveloped than the other, or one part is underdeveloped. That's what I'm always doing as a fitness artist, okay? So if you're a VIP, welcome. If you're not, join at JNLVIP.com. Your first month is $1, 4 quarters for 30 days of your transformation, and then $24.99 after that. You get all of that plus so much more. All right, enough talk. I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. Let's do this. I believe in you. Love you.